Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Roblox with paper. First, gather your supplies, which include a few sheets of sturdy cardstock or thick paper. You will also need a ruler, a pair of sharp scissors, and some reliable craft glue. For precision, an X-Acto knife and a cutting mat are recommended, alongside an assortment of colored markers or crayons to bring your character to life. These simple tools are all you need to start creating. To form the foundational blocky shapes, start by measuring and drawing squares on your cardstock using a ruler. For example, a 4-inch by 4-inch square is suitable for the head. Carefully cut out these squares, ensuring precise, straight lines for a clean finish. Then, gently fold the paper and apply glue to the tabs, securely joining the edges to create a perfectly cubic form. This method helps in constructing the basic head and torso of your character. Now comes the exciting part: personalizing your paper Roblox character. You can draw unique facial features, hair, and clothing directly onto your paper blocks with markers or colored pencils. Alternatively, print out your favorite Roblox character's elements, cut them precisely, and glue them onto your cubes. This step allows for immense creativity, letting you design everything from a cheerful smile to a detailed shirt pattern. Make your character truly one of a kind with these artistic additions. With your individual paper components ready, it is time to connect them. Create small tabs on the bottom of the head cube and the top of the torso cube for a secure attachment point. For the arms and legs, construct smaller, rectangular paper blocks, perhaps measuring 1 inch by 3 inches. Carefully glue these limbs to the sides and bottom of the torso, making certain each joint is firm. Allow at least 10 minutes of drying time for the glue to set properly before handling your character.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.